50 years ago, we went to the moon. We called it Apollo.
What many people don't know is that Apollo had a twin.
She was a woman named Artemis,
goddess of the moon.
We are returning to the moon.
As a new generation of explorers.
This time to stay.
And to prepare to achieve humanity's next giant leap of sending the first human missions to Mars.
We believe our course will redefine what is possible.
That we would discover life-saving,
earth-changing science.
And that the challenges ahead will inspire generations.
This is our manifest.
For all who wondered if we could return.
For all who dreamed of pressing beyond.
This is your calling.
We go for all of America.
We go. We go as the Artemis generation.
We go.
Hello, I'm Mark Guyard, Director of NASA's Johnson Space Center. I want to welcome you and thank you for watching our virtual NASA Honor Awards ceremony. First, I would like to extend a thank you to all the families and friends of our employees. Without your support, particularly with the challenges of this year, many of our employees would not have achieved so much. Our nation has faced and continues to face challenges of the coronavirus pandemic, as well as renewed conversations on racial injustice, diversity, and inclusion. 80% of us have transitioned to prolonged telework. Our NASA team has worked diligently to successfully conduct our mission, and I thank you for your continued dedication during these challenging times. At JSC, we lift each other up, as we always have, through challenges, furloughs, floods, in our recent past, and I'm proud of our team for persevering through all of it. This year, the Agency Honor Awards is our continued effort to acknowledge and recognize employees who achieve incredible things and lead the future of human spaceflight. These highly prestigious annual awards recognize distinguished individuals and their groups from across JSC, NASA, and the nation, and the world for their outstanding contributions to our nation's space program. All the awards we present today have undergone rigorous reviews and their various professional disciplines through center panels of senior leadership. As we look to what we have accomplished and will accomplish in our center and the agency, we remain focused on advancing human exploration. We have taken many steps toward that goal, including a multitude of center-wide efforts and activities within our organizations. We continue to dare unite and explore and lead a nation and international team to operate and utilize the International Space Station. Station's groundbreaking research improves life on Earth and expands our understanding of how humans can live and thrive in space. This past year saw NASA astronaut Christina Koch break the record for the longest single space flight for a woman of 328 days. She spanned 3 expeditions, which included the first all-woman spacewalk with fellow astronaut Jessica Meir. This summer, we saw the launch of the Perseverance Mars rover and the Ingenuity helicopter, as well as the successful launch and landing of the SpaceX Demo 2 mission. We also look forward to the Artemis 1 launch in the summer of next year, and in the future, launches of the Gateway and HLS systems that will enable our exploration of the moon. Together, we've risen to new challenges by meeting the agency's exploration goals, ultimately providing solutions for our nation's future. We continue to focus on working together with our partners on common goals, enabling a commercial space economy as JSC continues to lead human spaceflight exploration in Houston. Although we can't see you receive your medals and awards in person, your successes are our successes, and we recognize and honor you. My personal congratulations are extended to all award recipients. And again, thank you for viewing this virtual recognition. Let's get started.
The Outstanding Leadership Medal is awarded to government employees for notable leadership accomplishments that have significantly influenced the NASA mission. Sustained leadership and exceptionally high-impact leadership achievements demonstrate the individual's effectiveness in advancing the agency's goals and image in present and future terms. Ronald Bacchus is awarded the Outstanding Leadership Medal at Johnson Space Center for exceptional leadership in resolution of the Orion Super Guppy transportation loads issue that allowed for ground testing to be completed on schedule. Michael Kultz of the Johnson Space Center is awarded the Outstanding Leadership Medal for sustained exceptional leadership of the International Space Station's Payload Software Engineering and Integration Office. Ven Feng of the Johnson Space Center is awarded the Outstanding Leadership Medal for sustained leadership of the International Space Station Transportation Integration Office. John Jovine of the Johnson Space Center is awarded the Outstanding Leadership Medal for demonstrating outstanding leadership as the International Space Station Passive Thermal Control System Manager. William Jones of the Johnson Space Center is awarded the Outstanding Leadership Medal for outstanding leadership in the development and design of the Gateway program, advancing NASA's 2024 Boots on the Moon mission. Laura Kearney of the Johnson Space Center is awarded the Outstanding Leadership Medal for outstanding leadership and integration in establishing the Gateway program office, advancing NASA's 2024 Boots on the Moon mission.
Gerald LeBeau, Johnson Space Center, for sustained exceptional service in the care of the people and the quality of the products of the International Space Station Mission Integration and Operations Office. John McCullough, Johnson Space Center, for outstanding leadership of the Exploration, Integration, and Science Directorate. Rodney Nabazada, Johnson Space Center, for sustained leadership of the International Space Station integration with the CST-100 spacecraft. George Nelson, Johnson Space Center, for outstanding leadership in developing a new approach to manage ISS research from cradle to grave and for leading transformation into a client-focused culture. Dale Roberts, Johnson Space Center, for outstanding leadership of the Engineering Facility Consolidation Study, establishing external partnerships and space environments testing management office efforts. Christina Roydath, Johnson Space Center, for remarkable dedication, tireless leadership, and sustained innovation in the design, development, integration, and testing of the Ascent Abort 2 ejectable data recorder. Denise Romero, Johnson Space Center, for exemplary leadership of avionics and communications organizations in the JSC Engineering Directorate. Catherine Sham, Johnson Space Center, for exceptionally high impact leadership and achievement, assuring spectrum protection and safety of the human spaceflight program. Jimmy Spivey, Johnson Space Center, for outstanding leadership focusing on innovation and affecting change and significantly advancing NASA's exploration and lunar missions. Benjamin Stahl, Johnson Space Center, for outstanding technical leadership that was instrumental in the success of the Boeing and SpaceX Abort Systems flight test for Commercial Crew Program. Terrence Taddeo, Johnson Space Center, for outstanding leadership to Johnson Space Center and the agency during the coronavirus pandemic, protecting the health and well-being of the NASA workforce.
Outstanding Public Leadership Medal, awarded to non-government employees for notable leadership accomplishments that have significantly influenced the NASA mission. Sustained leadership and exceptionally high-impact leadership achievements should demonstrate the individual's effectiveness in advancing the agency's goals and image in present and future terms. Clifton Amberboy, KBR, for outstanding technical leadership and excellence in the management of the Space Radiation Analysis Group contractor team in support of ISS, MPCV, and AES programs. John Handy, Jacobs Technology Incorporated, for outstanding technical leadership for Ascent Abort 2, development flight instrumentation, and external wireless communications development tasks. Joy Kelly, Jacobs Technology Incorporated, for exceptional leadership in managing JSC's largest and most critical contract, providing crucial support to the ISS, Orion, and Artemis programs. Edward Montero Knight, Boeing, for exceptional and sustained leadership of the Boeing ISS software development and hardware software testing organizations. Mark Schaefbauer, Jacobs, for outstanding leadership and contributions in the development, design, and fabrication of soft goods spacecraft products for NASA's spaceflight programs. Steven Vander Ark, KBR, for sustained and exceptionally high-impact leadership achievements as the Johnson Space Center Behavioral Health and Performance Group Manager. Sean Ward, Jacobs Technology, for exceptional, sustained, consistent, outstanding leadership and project management of multiple avionic projects, including the ISS HD-EMU camera assembly and the Orion DFI system.
Exceptional Service Medal, awarded to government employees for sustained performance that embodies multiple contributions which contribute to NASA projects, programs, or initiatives. Deborah Burdich, Johnson Space Center, for outstanding technical and policy leadership in the integration of human health and performance domains into the Commercial Crew Program, CCP, and CCP Provider Spaceflight. Paul Bohm, Johnson Space Center, for exceptional, sustained technical leadership and management innovation, resulting in innumerable successes in crew systems hardware development and mission operations. James Broyan, Johnson Space Center, for exceptional contributions advancing technology and furthering NASA's critical interests in habitation and life support to enable future space exploration. T.Q. Bowie, Johnson Space Center, for outstanding sustained performance across multiple JSC organizations and for specific support of the equity, diversity, and disability programs of JSC and the agency. Sharon Kapana, Johnson Space Center, for outstanding leadership in managing NASA's cold stowage capabilities on the International Space Station. Thomas Carrington, Johnson Space Center, for superior leadership of the Flight Equipment and Quality Division, enabling the safety and mission success of our current and future programs. Keith Dyer, Johnson Space Center, for sustained performance leading safety and mission assurance risk assessments that have been instrumental to the past and ongoing success of NASA and the nation. Larry Grissom, Johnson Space Center, for outstanding leadership and dedication to our human space exploration programs through unique technical contributions and expertise in simulations and robotics. Bernadette Hayek, Johnson Space Center, for excellence as Chief of Staff for the Flight Operations Directorate. Michael Horkachuk, Johnson Space Center, for years of exceptional service and leadership towards the realization of the agency's goal of the commercialization of space.
Sandeep Quatra of the Johnson Space Center, for outstanding leadership of the ISS communications upgrade of the 600 megabits per second KU band system, sustained performance in managing communications integrity and operations support. David Lee of the Johnson Space Center, for focused dedication to human spaceflight through years of expert technical contributions in trajectory and mission design for SSP, Orion, Gateway, and many HEO-MD projects. John Lewis of the Johnson Space Center, for notable and outstanding leadership, providing for the life support and safety of NASA astronauts as a life support systems manager for ISS and Orion. Kathleen McMonagle of the Johnson Space Center, for exceptional contributions to the NASA mission through leadership of the Aerospace Medicine Board as the JSC Chief Pathologist and Clinical Laboratory Supervisor. John O'Lanson of the Johnson Space Center, for sustained exemplary leadership and use of a lean management principles during the in-house multi-center development and testing of Orion's AA-2 crew module and separation ring. Nigel Packham of the Johnson Space Center, for exceptional leadership of the JSC Flight Safety Office and superior performance as an internationally recognized expert in risk management. Rogelio Riojas of the Johnson Space Center, for over 30 years of sustained trajectory leadership and analysis excellence, enabling the success of multiple crewed spacecraft programs. Ann Sylvester of the Johnson Space Center, for significant leadership and contributions in programmatic analysis and the integrated disciplines of program planning and control for NASA missions. Deneen Taylor of the Johnson Space Center for dedicated leadership of the ISS Structures and Mechanical Systems team in solving several major anomalies and integrating both U.S. and international cargo and crewed spacecraft. Janetta Thomas of the Johnson Space Center for exceptional commitment to excellent customer service by leading travel, financial, and system process improvements and sharing expert knowledge throughout her career. Jennifer Villarreal of the Johnson Space Center for exemplary contributions to mitigating the risk of spaceflight on human health.
Exceptional Public Service Medal, awarded to non-government individuals for sustained performance that embodies multiple contributions on NASA projects, programs, or initiatives. Manish Arya, KBR, for exceptional leadership in coordinating research solicitations, reviews, awards, and investigator workshop reporting for NASA's Human Research Program. John Boster, Jacobs Technology Incorporated, for exceptional contributions assuring human space communication safety and protection on the ISS. Dennis Brantley, Maury Associates Incorporated, for exceptional contributions to the Avionics Systems Division in the area of IT management and servicing. Marissa Covington, KBR, for exceptional leadership in program science management and as the NASA Institutional Review Board Manager leading research integrity and the protection of human subjects. Yared Mesfin, the Boeing Company, for sustained excellence in developing new guidance, navigation, and control schemes which have saved extensive propellant and greatly improved ISS dynamic operations. George Palacios, the Boeing Company, for outstanding technical excellence and leadership as an International Space Station Mission Evaluation Room Manager. Carlos Sampaio, KBR, for exceptional service to NASA and the Human Health and Performance Directorate, demonstrating excellence in human factors, leadership, and support of human spaceflight.
Exceptional Engineering Achievement Medal, awarded for exceptional engineering contributions toward achieving the NASA mission. The award is given for individual efforts for applications of engineering principles or methods that have resulted in a contribution of fundamental importance, significantly enhanced understanding, or advanced the state of practice in this field, as demonstrated by an application to aerospace systems. Edwin Cruz, Johnson Space Center, for exceptional efforts in production of the Simulation Interoperability Standards Organization, SISO, Space Reference Federation Object Model, FOM, standard. John Hopp, Boeing, for outstanding technical design and code development in the area of software system engineering for the International Space Station. Xian Wu, Jacobs Technology Inc., for exceptional foundational technical contributions advancing the study of radio frequency propagation and scattering effects of space communication systems. David Swartwout, Johnson Space Center, for outstanding and highly successful leadership of the design, development, integration, and testing of the AA2CM software. Wendy Wittenberg-Farrell, Boeing, for outstanding innovation and leadership in the area of International Space Station flight software architecture and requirements design. Exceptional Scientific Achievement Medal. This prestigious NASA medal is awarded to both government and non-government individuals for exceptional scientific contributions, specific, concrete scientific achievements toward achievement of the NASA mission. The award is given for individual efforts that have resulted in a key scientific discovery or resulted in contributions of fundamental importance in this field, or significantly enhanced understanding of the field. Keith Gendreau, Goddard Space Flight Center, for exceptional scientific contributions in astrophysics via high-precision measurements of neutron stars and the first instrument to use pulsars as X-ray navigation beacons. Scott Wood, Johnson Space Center, for scientific and operational accomplishments addressing the neurovestibular risks associated with human spaceflight.
Exceptional Technology Achievement Medal. The prestigious NASA medal is awarded to government or non-government individuals for exceptional technology contributions significantly contributing toward the achievement of the NASA mission. Patrick Fink, Johnson Space Center, for exceptional technology advancements in electromagnetic engineering supporting innovative initiatives and applications supporting the human spaceflight program. Stephen Hunter, Johnson Space Center, for leadership in the infusion of commercial technology in the ISS program through collaboration with industry. Andrew Lovelace, Johnson Space Center, for the development and maturation of fault-tolerant voting architecture using time-triggered Ethernet, leading toward adoption by the Gateway program. Andrew Rush, Made in Space, for exceptional and pioneering success developing and operating in-space manufacturing facilities on the ISS while furthering the commercialization of low Earth orbit. Equal Employment Opportunity Medal, awarded to both government and non-government individuals for outstanding achievement and material contribution to the principles and goals of NASA's Equal Employment Opportunity, Diversity, and Inclusion programs, either within the government or within community organizations or groups. Robert Howard, Johnson Space Center, for more than 20 years of inspiring, modeling, and promoting equal opportunity, diversity, and inclusion both within the government and community organizations. Stephanie McMahon, Space Center Houston, for exceptional leadership in creating an educational destination for people of all abilities to experience the wonder of human space exploration. Elizabeth Marino, Johnson Space Center, for career-long commitment as an exemplary role model, dedicated community leader, and advocate for Hispanic access and achievement. Rebecca Reed, Johnson Space Center, for exceptional achievements and dedication to diversity and inclusion within the Space Medicine Operations Division. Kevin Window, Johnson Space Center, for outstanding leadership as chair of the Inclusion and Innovation Council at JSC and as a champion of NASA's Equal Employment Opportunity and Diversity.
The Exceptional Administrative Achievement Medal is a prestigious NASA medal awarded to both government and non-government individuals for exceptional initiative in developing and implementing processes, methods, or operations that resulted in improvements to the office or program activities and/or operations. Dara Guarino of the Johnson Space Center for exceptional administrative contributions to the financial management community, which enables timely and informed decisions at all levels. Patricia Hoffman of AWD Management Services for exceptional performance as the Avionics Systems Division Secretary. Judy Kimball of AWD Management Services for proactive performance in supporting the ER3, ER7 branch offices that resulted in smooth operations, efficiencies, and improvements that impacted the entire ER division. Kimberly Conkle of AWD Management Services for exceptional administrative support to the Human Health and Performance Directorate.
Exceptional Achievement Medal, awarded to government employees for a significant specific achievement or substantial improvement in operations, efficiency, service, financial savings, science, or technology which contributes to the mission of NASA. Julia Badger, Johnson Space Center, for exceptional achievement in developing critical autonomy architectures technology for the Lunar Gateway program and future Mars missions. Jennifer Boya Samaya, Johnson Space Center, for exceptional leadership establishing human-in-the-loop testing as a best practice for spacecraft development to ensure crew performance and mission success for Artemis II. Jennifer Camella, Johnson Space Center, for exceptional leadership of the work to implement new scientific lab requirements under the CRS-2 contract at Wallops Island and the surrounding area. Cody Corley, Johnson Space Center, for exceptional achievement as a JSC Legal Office Attorney providing essential and significant legal service to the agency. Brian Daniel, Johnson Space Center, for successful certification of the Environmental Control and Life Support Subsystem, crew suits, and flight crew equipment for both SpaceX and Boeing. Aaron Decker, Johnson Space Center, for exceptional effort in formulating and implementing innovative quality assurance processes that reduce program costs and schedule while ensuring safety and mission success. Lisa Erickson, Johnson Space Center, for leading the establishment of a NASA and industry standard for modeling thermal environments on the lunar surface.
Christopher Giletti, Johnson Space Center, for providing outstanding leadership and management of the multiple Apollo 50th anniversary celebrations at JSC and the entire Houston area during spring and summer 2019. Lucy Lowe, National Institutes of Health, National Center for Advancing Translational Sciences, for exceptional achievement in fostering NASA, ISS National Lab, and NIH science partnerships, while leading groundbreaking human health organs-on-chips research on the ISS. Tricia Mack, Johnson Space Center, for exceptional leadership as the increment manager in the ISS Management Center during the 56 Soyuz launch abort and throughout the entirety of increments 57 and 58. David Mathers, Johnson Space Center, for exceptional achievement in leading the research integration effort to ensure that the next generation of visiting vehicles support future science and research needs. Charles McCann, Johnson Space Center, for outstanding leadership, coordination, and execution of the Crew Exploration Vehicle Parachute Assembly System, Systems Acceptance Review. Aaron Maisgades, Johnson Space Center, for exceptional change leadership activities instrumental to the achievement of human capital transformation and mission support future architecture. Thomas Parent, Johnson Space Center, for outstanding aviation professionalism and leadership within the Johnson Space Center's Aircraft Operations Division. Joshua Paris, Johnson Space Center, for leadership resulting in substantial improvements in coordination of space situational awareness capabilities to protect crewed spacecraft from orbital debris. Rihanna Pecourt, Johnson Space Center, for outstanding performance supporting the Orion project by developing and certifying the EM1 optical navigation calibration software and the TARDIS flight software test suite. Samuel Pedrati, Johnson Space Center, for outstanding leadership and technical expertise in guiding the Seeker GNC team through successful hardware-software integration testing and delivery for flight. Barakiel Reyna, Johnson Space Center, for infusion of model-based systems engineering tools into human health and performance processes, enabling improved risk management and programmatic risk-based decision-making. Clarence Ross, Johnson Space Center, for exceptional performance leading the critical Johnson Space Center fire and safety acquisition activities. Adam Schlesinger, Johnson Space Center, for leading advancements in avionics technology through the development of an innovative, robust, and versatile fault-tolerant avionics and software architecture. Christina Wells, Johnson Space Center, for extraordinary leadership in establishing the Orion production and operations contract that will shape the future of human exploration spacecraft production.
Exceptional Public Achievement Medal, awarded to a non-government individual for significant, specific achievement or substantial improvement in operations, efficiency, service, financial savings, science, or technology which contributes to the mission of NASA.
Richard Adams, Oklahoma State University, for exceptional and innovative contributions to the design and implementation of high-quality NASA STEM engagement activities for students and educators.
Carissa Collini, KBR, for continued excellence in executing new innovation practices and maturing NASA at Work operations to achieve agency-wide success. Mark Henry, The Boeing Company, for outstanding contributions as the lead mechanical designer for the NASA docking system for use by the Commercial Crew Program. Kent Caligera, KBR, for outstanding leadership as the Exploration Exercise Device Downselect Functional Evaluation Test Lead, informing selection of the Gateway Exercise Countermeasure System. Michael Knight, Jacobs Technology Incorporated, for outstanding leadership as the ISS Wireless Video System WVS Subsystem Manager, demonstrating exceptional technical knowledge of the system for successful ISS EVAs. Clint Lively, The Boeing Company, for exceptional leadership in supporting the ISS Safety Review Panel, developing cost-effective and cost-saving processes for NASA. Oleg Lvovsky, Barrios Technology Incorporated, for excellent testing and verification engineering expertise in developing, leading, and implementing the leak test requirement standard across the agency. David Nee, Jacobs Technology Incorporated, for significant technology innovations and improvements in advanced space communications theory and modulation techniques. Rachel Passmore, KBR, for exceptional achievement as the operational psychologist assigned to the NASA astronaut candidate class of 2017. Robert Peiterzik, KBR, for outstanding support to the HRP Research Operations and Integration Team in the definition and integration of complex human research protocols for ISS and flight analogs. John Stoll, Maury Associates, for exceptional achievement leading multimedia support of NASA's human space flights, enabling those stories to reach millions of people in the most effective ways possible.
The Early Career Achievement Medal is awarded to government employees for unusual and significant early career performance. Performance is characterized by unusual initiative or a creative achievement that clearly demonstrates a significant contribution in the individual's discipline area that directly contributes to NASA's mission and goals. Wahab Al-Shaheen of the Johnson Space Center for innovative development of a flight phase generic verification, evaluation of requirements analysis and synthesis, open source based toolset. Alicia Paturoni Cortez of the Johnson Space Center for outstanding leadership of NASA Community College Aerospace Scholars in the creative design and implementation of its internal and external expansion efforts. Michelle Collins of the Johnson Space Center for outstanding performance as an early career JSC Attorney Advisor in multiple legal areas directly contributing to NASA's missions. Jacob French of the Johnson Space Center for innovative contributions in developing reliable, redundant, frangible joint solutions for human spaceflight programs to increase crew safety. Garrett Hain of the Johnson Space Center for outstanding technical trajectory operations leadership and contribution to multiple human spaceflight programs. Lucas Kenyon of the Johnson Space Center for significant contributions to imagery and informatics system design and development for NASA human spaceflight programs. Christopher Messina of the Johnson Space Center for outstanding leadership and fostering critical partnerships within NASA's active thermal control community. Sean Miller of the Johnson Space Center for outstanding performance in support of human space exploration through unique technical contributions and leadership in the area of mechanical design and manufacturing. Sean Meyerly of the Johnson Space Center for skillfully analyzing and streamlining complex planning and data processes, greatly improving International Space Station operations. Christopher Radke of the Johnson Space Center for outstanding efforts and results, advancing propulsion state-of-the-art for miniature propulsion, fundamental research, and enabling NASA's lunar missions.
Early Career Public Achievement Medal, awarded to non-government employees for unusual and significant early career performance. Performance is characterized by unusual initiative or a creative achievement that clearly demonstrates a significant contribution in the individual's discipline area that directly contributes to NASA's mission and goals. Rachel Barry, Barrios Technology Incorporated, for exceptional creativity, strategic thinking, and influential leadership while communicating the ISS science message across a wide spectrum of media platforms to the world. Chelsea Chapman Bussey, Barrios Technology Incorporated, for exceptional leadership and support of the International Space Station mission integration and operations activities across a broad range of mission topics and issues. Riley Dalton, Jacobs Technology Incorporated, for outstanding project management of the Supplemental Heat Rejection Evaporative Cooler Project Class 1E ISS Flight Hardware Project. Marissa Rosenberg, KBR, for outstanding leadership and scientific contributions supporting human exploration of space and human health. Alexander Rubin, KBR, for outstanding technical leadership as a biomedical engineer in the Human Health and Performance Directorate's International Space Station Operations Support Team. Stephen Ewell, KBR, for outstanding technical leadership as the Health Maintenance System Operations Team Lead, supporting International Space Station operations.
Group Achievement Award, awarded to a group for outstanding accomplishment through the coordination of many individual efforts, which has contributed substantially to the NASA mission. AA2 CSR Assembly, Integration, and Test Team, for delivering the certified AA2 crew module and separation ring 6 months early and 2% under the projected lifecycle cost, leading to a fully successful ascent abort test. Anthropometry and Biomechanics Facility Team, for developing innovative 3D shape and virtual fit modeling tools that expanded the range of astronaut sizing for optimal EVA performance. Artemis 1 Trajectory Design Team, for the development and execution of thousands of Artemis 1 trajectories to maximize launch opportunities and provide pre-flight and real-time support to Orion, SLS, and FOD. Cold Stowage Apocalypse Team, for implementing innovative solutions to address the backlog of conditioned life sciences and commercial research samples on the ISS by optimizing cargo return capabilities. Computer-based Control System Requirements Rewrite Team, for outstanding attention to detail and perseverance in completion of International Space Station computer-based control system document rewrites. Disposable External Wireless COTS Camera Team, for design, certification, delivery, and on-orbit operational deployment of an external portable wireless camera in less than 1 year and for less than $60,000 per camera. EcoStress Team, for groundbreaking ecology and climate research, allowing the detection of plant water use and stress over the diurnal cycle and at the habitat field scale for the first time. Electromagnetic Compatibility Payload Support Team, for demonstrating exceptional service to the ISS payloads community through dedicated, client-focused electromagnetic interference and compatibility testing support. Increment 59 Maintenance Team, for outstanding planning and execution of ISS on-orbit maintenance and outfitting activities during Increment 59. ISS ATCS System Management Team, for exemplary engineering system management of the ISS active thermal control systems and successfully solving multiple recent ATCS maintenance and operation issues.
ISS Infrared Camera Battery Redesign Team, for outstanding contributions in successfully redesigning the infrared camera battery to address obsolescence issues to continue usage on the International Space Station. ISS SDIL Operations Team, for outstanding contributions to the enhancement of ISS software development and integration laboratory, daily operations, and hardware/software integration testing. JSC Commercial Crew Materials and Processes Team, for steadfast and unerring materials and process support on commercial crew program partner spacecraft risk mitigation and verification activities. NASA Earth and Space Air Prize Execution Team, for the exceptional execution of NASA's Earth and Space Air Prize, NASA's first public prize competition conducted using the America Competes Act. Optimus Tablet V1 Development Team, for outstanding achievement in developing and deploying Optimus Tablet on ISS, a tool that increases crew efficiency and can be expanded to future human spaceflight missions. Orbital Debris Program Office ODPO Team, for exceptional dedication and persistence in developing and verifying the next generation orbital debris model, ORDIM 3.1, based on analysis of the latest debris data. Orion Pressure Control Assembly Task Force Team, for the successful resolution of the Orion European Service Module pressure control assembly issues and anomalies for Artemis 1. Realm 2 Team, for outstanding group accomplishment designing and developing the Realm 2 Advanced Technology Tracking System on the International Space Station. RoboVision Developer Team, for creating RoboVision, an innovative advanced technology tool which has made International Space Station robotics operations safer and more efficient. Safety Requirements Streamlining Team, for outstanding leadership on restructuring and streamlining the safety requirements to meet agency goals for commercializing and utilizing the ISS in low Earth orbit. Utilization Cargo Miracle Team, for outstanding contributions towards agency goals of commercializing low Earth orbit by innovatively maximizing utilization, cargo delivery on ISS commercial cargo vehicles. Virtual Reality Onboard Training Team, for enabling the successful first use of virtual reality to enhance the onboard crew training experience for robotics-supported EVAs. Z 2.5 NBL Test Team, for outstanding leadership, teamwork, and relentless commitment during the Z 2.5 suit evaluation in the Neutral Buoyancy Laboratory.
The Administrator's Gears of Government Initiative Award. The Initiative Award recognizes teams that have improved mission, service, or stewardship outcomes either directly or through 3 drivers of change through application of technology, improvements in operations, or other innovations. The Center of Excellence for Collaborative Innovation, for outstanding contributions to advancing the missions of NASA and other federal agencies.
Congratulations again to all the award recipients. On behalf of the entire agency, we thank you for all your incredible contributions.